The Donetsk Cascade Battalion released 2 footages of the destruction of the Ukrainian artillery intelligence radar complex 1L220 UK and Zu-3. The radars were destroyed by drone attacks, although the location of the attack was not specified. The Russian drone attack was recorded. The Russian Federation Defense Ministry spokesperson Igor Konashenkov said, in total, Ukraine Army lost 413 jet fighters, 228 helicopters, 3,882 unmanned aerial vehicles. Also 421 air defense missile systems, 8,878 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles, 1,095 fighting vehicles equipped with MLRS, 4,671 field artillery guns and mortars, as well as 9,805 units of special military vehicles have been destroyed since the beginning of the special military operation. The other side from Kiev, Ukraine said Russia lost 570 servicemen in a single day, including 2 tanks, 16 armored fighting vehicles and 21 drones. In total, Russia lost 188,920 servicemen during the conflict. Another update, the Special Forces of the Armed Forces of Ukraine have announced recruitment for a qualification course. The beginning of the Q course is scheduled for early July 2023. Applications will be accepted until May 22, 2023. Mandatory requirements for candidates, age up to 35 years older, according to the interview results. Only Ukrainian armed forces soldiers who are in military service under contract or called up for mobilization at the time of application are eligible for selection. The duration of the qualification course is 4 months. Q course graduates are guaranteed to receive a position in the military unit of the Special Operations Forces of the Armed Forces of Ukraine. Russia and Ukraine conflict lasts for 228 days. There are still no agreements between two sides.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.